Under My Roof organizes important information about your home and everything in it. With support for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac, Under My Roof is available whenever you need it. Create an inventory of your belongings and keep it up to date as you purchase new items. So you can find item details, warranty information, photos, and receipts whenever you need it. Store important documents such as manuals and rental agreements. No more digging through filing cabinets and junk drawers. Organize collections like vinyl records or art with accompanying information, such as appraisals, notes, and certificates of authenticity. Beyond items in your inventory, you can organize information about your home, from purchase and rental information to property assessment history to paint colors. You can store almost anything you might need to look up later. Keep detailed information about the renovations and modifications you've made to your home. Store information about the contractor, notes on the project's progress, supplies used, project documents, photos, and receipts so you have a history of the entire project. Under My Roof can also keep track of repairs and maintenance on your home as well, so you always know what was done and when. And Under My Roof can keep records of modifications, maintenance, and repairs to your inventory items as well. Maintenance schedules and notifications help keep your home and belongings in tip-top shape. Monitor the supplies you use so you don't run out. The worst time to find out you are underinsured is when you need to file a claim. Under My Roof's coverage analysis helps you determine if you are adequately insured. And it can also keep track of insurance and warranty claims, so all of your claim documentation and notes are easy to find. Assign heirs to your belongings to aid in estate planning. When it's time to move, the Moving Box feature helps you with the packing and unpacking of your belongings and knowing exactly what is packed in each box. Under My Roof syncs between all your devices using iCloud, and you can even share your inventory with family members or others of your choosing. Best of all, your data is private. It exists only on your devices and those you choose to share your inventory with, and in your personal iCloud account. Head to the App Store or Mac App Store to download Under My Roof and get your home life more organized today.